Welcome back to the new episode about Azure Information Protection under the hood. Today we're gonna see how you can modify unprotected Word document just with Libreoffice and afterwards apply the protection again, so it looks pretty much as were created by the original author. And yeah, let's start. First of all, we have the decrypted document manipulated from last time, and we now can open up the document and change. This was a reprotected document. It's now the new content, and we will just copy the created document into decrypted doc manipulated. So we just overwrite it, and now we executed the script in order to encrypt the values symmetrically. And what we're now doing is we open up the portable apps folder where you find the structured storage explorer, which you can use to open up the original protected Word document and replace the encrypted content here. So we open up reprotected document, and then we exchange the encrypted package with the encrypted document we just created here, encrypted _doc manipulated. And now we can save this document as a manipulated read protected document. And now we have a new modified protected document. As you will see, the author of the document, so the content is changed here, and we can see the permissions. So it didn't change anything in the Word file. And if you would open the document authorship, you would see that there is a changed author on the document. So what we will see next is how you can manipulate this document without any leaving some clues for later inspection. So we will just use an editor here. So you see on the right hand side, I created a new decrypted _doc.zip file, which I now can extract. So we have normally the document from Word is just a zip archive, and now I create a new folder with the content of this uncompressed zip file in order to change the content manually. So I move them here to the modify directory and open up the Word document XML file. And then you can modify the content here, for example, with Notepad++. I just search for the phrase, and now I can modify the document. And as you will later see, this will leave no clue or hint that the document was changed if you do it this manually. So we create a new zip file here. We call it decrypt doc many, and can now copy it, move it, or rename it without any zip extension in order to provide it for the Python script. Here I did just a renaming mistake, so remaining dot needs to be removed. And now I can execute the Python script, which will encrypt the file. And now we can, as last time, include this new encrypted document into the original protected document with the help of the structured storage explorer. So we open up the Word file here. First of all, we need to see every file, and then we can replace this encrypted file, which is approximately 13 kilobytes in size, with a new encrypted and modified document. So now you see it's 11 kilobytes, and we can save it under a new file name. So just a moment. And when we open up this file, the content is modified, no modification is detected. And yeah, as you see now on the info box, the author and the last author are still the same, but with new content. So thank you very much, and yeah, see you next time.